Celebrity Chef Mariko, and today I'm going to show you how to make breadcrumbs with corn flakes. Sometimes we are in the kitchen and it's like, oh my God, I need breadcrumbs, but you don't have any stale bread, you don't have breadcrumbs, so what are you going to do? And then maybe you're gluten-free and you want some breadcrumbs and you have no idea what to do. Here's a great tip so you can use corn flakes to make your own breadcrumbs. First, you want to get about a cup of corn flakes. I'm just going to put them in a Ziploc bag. This is going to make it easy. Okay, and just put them in there like that. Then you want to put your favorite seasoning in there. Sometimes when you buy the packaged breadcrumbs, they will be labeled Italian seasoning. So if you want to do that, you could add some Italian seasoning mix. This is a dried mixture that has oregano and rosemary and dried parsley and dried basil. All those traditional Italian ingredients and herbs that you would normally find in a packaged breadcrumb mix. So I'm going to add a couple teaspoons just in there like that. And if you want, you don't have to add any seasoning. Maybe a little chili powder if you want a kick. Maybe just a little salt and pepper. Whatever you would like to do, it's going to taste delicious. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the air out of the bag, seal it shut, and now I'm going to get it with the rolling pin. So I'm just going to roll the rolling pin over, back and forth, and I'm just going to keep doing this for a bit until it is all broken up and evenly smooth. Okay. This is such a great technique because personally I'm gluten-free and I'll need breadcrumbs for something and I don't have them. Or I will go to the grocery store and it will cost $8 to $10 for a package of gluten-free breadcrumbs. So here's a quick way to do it. Get a box of corn flakes. They aren't that expensive at all. And then you will have enough breadcrumbs to last a lifetime. Okay, I'm just gonna keep rolling it a little bit more until it is nice and powdery and it is ready to serve. So however you would normally use breadcrumbs is how you can use these breadcrumbs. So I'm just gonna put them out like that. And it's ready for breading your favorite chicken or fish. This is Mariko showing you how to make breadcrumbs with corn flakes. Enjoy.